Hello, everyone. I'm Andy from ThinkMo. I am currently teaching CCIE courses. From today on, I'm going to share with you CCNA, CCNP, CCIE related technologies. Today we're going to talk about format of data frame. We saw that in the last video. Data frames are based on physical layer links. For example, network cables, optical fibers, including early coaxial cables, on which data is transferred. A data frame is a combination of bits into bytes. Bytes are then combined into data frames. There are two types of data frames. One is Ethernet 11. One is IEEE 802.3. About the format of the data frame. You can see it looks something like this. It was introduced in the last issue. How do I distinguish Ethernet 11, IEEE 802.3 frames, and the data frame of IEEE 802.3? First of all, they can be distinguished by their size. The length type of an Ethernet 2 data frame, type length value, is greater than or equal to 1536. If it's less than or equal to 500, it's the data frame of 802.3. So what is the format of these two data frames? Let's take a look. This is the Ethernet 11 frame. First, there is the frame header. And then it has the active MAC address and the destination MAC address. It is the broadcast MAC address. The second is the source MAC address. This corresponds to the data frame format. DMAC is the destination MAC address. SMAC is the source MAC address. Each NIC has a MAC address, and the MAC address is unique. Then the type field shows ARP. The proof should be submitted to ARP for processing. 0800 indicates IPv4. IPv6 is 86DD. Type indicates the type of the field. What protocol does the upper layer use? This is followed by the fill field. It's filled in so many because it doesn't have enough fields. Meet the requirements of data frames. After that comes the ARP request message. This is the specific data field. Ethernet 2 data frames are mainly used for common data, like the data that's being sent from the router. Then let's look at the data frame of IEEE 802.3. Some special data will be used in IEEE 802. 3 data frames. The top is still the frame header. Then there's Ethernet 802.3. LLC, which controls the link layer. The source MAC address is the destination MAC address. And then the length. The frame of 802.3 contains the destination MAC address and the source MAC address. And then length. It's the same as what we saw. Next up is LLC, link layer control. Let's compare. Inside 802.3. In addition to length, LLC has corresponding DSAP and SSAP. What protocol is used to identify? Obviously what you're looking at is a spanning tree. So the spanning tree protocol is the data frame used in 802.3. It's the data part. Then let's talk about the use of different data frames. Data frames like Ethernet 11 are usually used. Some more mundane data. And IEEE 802.3 is used for data like generating trees. That's it for today. If there are any other skills you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a message or send me a private message. If you're interested in what I'm talking about, hope to like and subscribe more. Thank you. See you next time.